FactorySmart AI is a full-service, deep learning inspection solution for industrial applications. This includes installing 2D or 3D sensor hardware, a full software stack and HMI designed specifically for the application, and a team of AI professionals for continual support. Deep learning is useful in applications where there is either a high variability in targets or a high variability in defects. Let's look at an example for target variability first. Every cut of beef is different, but after a data gathering and training process, FactorySmart AI is able to quickly and accurately identify parts of a steak, like the tenderloin or the bone, without the need for a vision engineer to develop complicated image processing and measurement toolchains. Now let's take a look at an example for high defect variability. While AI solutions are commonly seen in organics applications, deep learning can also be useful in manufacturing, where there is a high variability of defects to identify. These are applications that have historically relied on humans to visually inspect each part, given the challenges in manually programming measurement tools to capture every possible type of defects variation. In this catheter inspection, the trained model can individually identify a wide variety of defects, such as peeling, scuffs, and lines. These defects can occur in varying locations and with different appearances. Each defect is tracked and stored for analysis in GoFactory, a performance monitoring HMI, which allows for live analyzing of trends across an entire fleet of deployed devices. Users can query and download specific defects at any time. With industrial environments constantly changing, FactorySmart AI provides the infrastructure to maintain and update deep learning models on-site or in the cloud for new scenarios and targets. This closed-loop system, from inline inspection to model refinement and deployment, offers unparalleled flexibility and accuracy in a wide variety of manufacturing environments. Contact us at lmi3d.com to see what FactorySmart AI can do for your application.